See, if you look at traditional programs which we have been like writing for decades, so in traditional programs, we have to give the recipe. Okay, this problem needs to be solved step by step. First we design the algorithm, then we convert that algorithm into a program. So step by step execution plan instruction we have to give. Okay, to accomplish this goal, this is the step one, step two, step three. So that is a traditional programming. The problem is that the sequence is pre-written and hence it is very rigid. Traditional softwares are very rigid. They cannot handle the complexity of the modern world. They cannot handle ambiguities, uncertainty. But if we talk about autonomous agents, here no need to write any logic. They will constantly, consistently, they will assess, then they will decide what to do. They will act, they will reassess, and they will keep on continuing it. The key characteristics is that the agent selects the steps dynamically. So no pre-written logic. It is very flexible. Agents can adapt because now the recipe is being invented by the agent itself. Because agent know this is the goal that needs to be achieved, and agent knows that right now I am at this point. I am here. I have to go here. So the journey will be decided by the agent. And in the journey, if agent sees that oh very big obstacle is there, then it will reassess its path. It will change the path. So like that, it will keep on updating its path and it will take you towards the end goal. So that is the dynamic nature of the autonomous agents. And this is a very big thing actually, because of that, AI agents can handle the complexity of the modern environment. They support flexible workflows, adaptive execution, and context sensitive behavior. This is very interesting because traditional programs they are rigid. No matter what the context is, they will behave in a similar manner. But autonomous agents, they support context sensitive behavior. They adapt their execution based on the context. So that is the idea. So the power of agents, if we talk about, it lies in their ability to adapt to changing environments, unlike static programs. So this is a very big thing. So we are talking about the fundamental shift from fixed sequences to dynamic execution. So dynamic execution is something which is the main, the key component or the key ability of autonomous agents.